Today we'll walk through the problem of a sensor not properly communicating with the Ring alarm system and show you a quick and easy way to fix it. Hello everyone, this is Rick with Cybernetics, and today we're talking about the Ring alarm system. The video is broken up into two main parts. The first part is a quick explainer of ZWave and Wi-Fi as it relates to the Ring alarm. Next, we'll explore the scenario of a sensor not properly communicating with the base station and show you a quick way to fix it. Ring alarm uses both ZWave and Wi-Fi to communicate with devices. Their network topologies are different. ZWave uses a mesh network. It simply means that nodes can communicate with each other before going back to the central hub for processing. Wi-Fi uses a hub and spoke system where each of the devices individually transmit to the central hub for processing. ZWave uses low frequency and low data rates and low transmit power. The low transmit power is important because you want battery operated devices to last a long time. The low frequency is important because it makes it easier for the signal to go through walls and obstructions and get to its destination. Contrast that to Wi-Fi, much higher frequencies, data rates, and transmit power. Next, we'll walk through a simple example and show you how the ZWave protocol works. Let's say you have a contact sensor on a second floor on a patio window and it needs to communicate to the base station. That communication may not be reliable. With the Ring alarm ZWave network, you can put in devices plugged into electrical power that act as relay points so that that signal can go between those relay points and ultimately arrive at the destination. This makes it much more robust and reliable for communicating with low power, low data rate devices. Sometimes it's a little confusing because Ring does use the Wi-Fi signal for high data rate, high throughput devices like the Ring cameras. In part 2 of the video, we'll show you the problem that sometimes contact sensors don't properly connect to the base station. They get hung up in the application. There's a simple solution to that. We'll walk through that and show you how to do it. Sometimes when you're adding a sensor, it will not connect properly to the hub, and the troubleshooting procedure for that is pretty simple. Because these sensors connect to the base station for communication, you have to go back into the base station and come down to settings, device settings for the base station. And then there's an advanced option here, select that. All of your sensors, door sensors, motion sensors, etc. use ZWave. Sometimes they get hung up and won't connect properly. When that happens, you can reset them individually by coming in here and selecting the ZWave protocol. Next, select Remove ZWave Device and click Remove. It'll ask you to confirm and you'll say OK. Now here's what you do is you take the battery out of the device that you want to disconnect from the network. You put the battery back in the sensor. You press the little contact button on the top of it, and it'll say removing device, and it says removed successfully. Once you've done that, the sensor you had a problem with will have been reset and be more easily connected to the base station. That's a wrap on our video demonstration of how to troubleshoot and resolve sensors that won't connect properly to the base station. Hope you will like the video and subscribe to the channel. This supports our efforts in helping others with technology, and have a great and wonderful automation day.